Hello, welcome to the classes of Dr. Sujit Majumdar. Today we are going to study various thermodynamic processes and work done in those thermodynamic processes. The first process we are going for today is isobaric process. So we are writing first, it is isobaric process. Isobaric process. So what is isobaric? Iso means same, baric means pressure. So it becomes constant pressure process. So we are going to see the work done in constant pressure process. Now let us draw PV plane where ordinate is P, that is pressure, and abscissa is V, that is volume. So let us draw one cylinder beneath. So we can assume there is a piston available here, and now we are going for one process which is constant pressure process. So as the process is constant, so that as the pressure is constant, therefore in this process we have to draw a process where the pressure should be constant. So we are taking a line perpendicular to P. This will be called as constant pressure process, which has gone from state 1 to state 2 of thermodynamic processes. So this process will be called as constant pressure process. Now let us see what is the work done in constant pressure process. So we know that work done 1 to 2 is equal to integration PdV, that is PdV work, means volume is changing. We can see from here to here, if you draw a line corresponding to this state 1, corresponding to this state 2, these are all the 2 points. So the piston will move from this point to this point for this process, and this is the point state 1, and in the state 2 it will move here, the piston will move here. So we are writing the limit between 1 to 2, the 2 states, state 1 to state 2. So here constant pressure process, as the pressure is constant, so pressure will come outside the integration, and volume, due to change in volume, volume is changing from state 1 to state 2, volume is changing. So we have to write down V2 minus V1. So this becomes the work done in constant pressure process. Okay. Next we are going for isochoric process. Now what is isochoric process? In place of baric, now we will write down here choric or isochoric. C-H-O-R-I-C. This iso means again same, and choric means the volume. Okay, so it is that means it is constant volume process. So if it is a constant pressure process we have drawn earlier, now what the constant volume will be? It will be perpendicular to V. So therefore we have to draw one line. So from state 1 to state 2, suppose this is the state 1, suppose this is the state 2. So the process is going from state 1 to state 2, and here volume is unchanged, means if we see here at this position the always piston will remain. If the piston remains same, that means displacement of the piston is 0. That means what? If the displacement is 0, work done must be 0. So therefore the PdV work as the volume is not changing, it should be equal to 0. Okay. Next we are going for isothermal process. This is isothermal process. Means here it is the same temperature. Actually isothermal is called same temperature process. That means it is a constant temperature process. It can be called as a constant temperature process. So constant temperature process are drawn like this way, which are not straight line, which is neither P is equal to, which is neither it is telling P is equal to constant nor V is equal to constant, but isothermal process is formula is that we know from ideal gas equation that PV by T is equal to constant. PV by T is equal to constant. Now if T becomes constant further, then what the equation becomes? PV is equal to C into T, means where T is constant, that means it becomes another constant. So PV is equal to constant. This is the equation for the isothermal process. So once the PV is equal to constant, this is the equation for isothermal process. The process diagram will be like this. Process diagram will be like this. Suppose it is going from this state 1 to state 2. Okay, we have to show the arrow sign. State 1 to state 2. This is the isothermal or constant temperature process. So in this constant temperature process, we have to write down how the work done is done. So work done in this case, work done 1 to 2. Again, similarly as earlier, that is 1 to 2 integration P dV work. Now, as the process equation is PV is equal to constant, so we can write down P is equal to constant by V, as because dV is there, that means it is going to integrate that, not P but V. So the integrating factor for P is becoming C by V. So we are putting the integrating factor here 1 to 2, that is C by V into dV. So it becomes constant will come outside, so it becomes C. So dV by V, integration dV by V 1 to 2. So this becomes C into ln V2 by V1, ln V2 by V1. Now as C is equal to PV, in place of C, we can see that C is equal to, we can say that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, like this way it can go. So in place of C, we can put anything. Now let us, we are putting here P1 V1. Is it visible? Okay. P1 V1 ln log natural V2 by V1. This is the formula of work done in isothermal process.